Are you drowning in debt and wondering how you'll ever pay off $10,000 or more? Imagine living a life without that financial burden. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll share proven strategies that can help you crush your debt faster than you ever thought possible. Hi there, and welcome to toAmerica Finance. Today, we're tackling a problem that so many of us face: debt. Whether it's credit card bills, student loans, or other obligations, being $10,000 in debt can feel like you're carrying a mountain on your back. But don't worry, I've been there too. And today, I'm going to walk you through 5 actionable steps to pay off that debt quickly and regain control of your finances. Step 1. Face your debt head-on. The first step is awareness. Many of us avoid looking at the total amount we owe because it's overwhelming. But you can't fight what you don't know. Write down every debt you have: credit card balances, loans, everything. The interest rates and minimum payments. This gives you a clear picture of where you stand. Step 2. Create a budget that works. Next, you need a budget. But not just any budget, one that prioritizes debt repayment. Start with your income. Subtract all your necessary expenses, and allocate as much as possible toward paying off your debt. Cut back on non-essential spending, even if it's just temporary. Remember, every dollar counts. Step 3. Choose your payoff strategy. There are 2 popular methods for paying off debt. The snowball method: pay off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. This gives you quick wins and momentum. The avalanche method: focus on the debt with the highest interest rate first. This saves you money in the long run. Pick the one that works for you and stick with it. Step 4. Boost your income. Sometimes, cutting back isn't enough. Increasing your income can speed up the process dramatically. Consider side hustles like freelancing, tutoring, ride-sharing, or selling items you no longer need. Channel every extra dollar you earn directly toward your debt. Step 5. Stay consistent and motivated. Paying off $10,000 won't happen overnight, but consistency is key. Celebrate small milestones, like paying off your first $1,000. Remind yourself why you're doing this, whether it's for peace of mind, financial freedom, or a specific goal like buying a home. Step 6. Automate your payments. Set up automatic payments for your debt. This ensures you never miss a due date, avoiding late fees and keeping your credit score intact. Plus, automating helps you stay disciplined without the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. Step 7. Negotiate with lenders. Did you know you can negotiate with your creditors? Call them and ask for lower interest rates or better terms. It doesn't always work, but if it does, you could save hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. Step 8. Declutter and sell unused items. One person's trash is another person's treasure. Take a weekend to declutter your home and sell items online: electronics, clothes, furniture, or even collectibles. Every little bit helps when you're tackling a $10,000 debt. Step 9. Cut down on luxuries. I know, this one's tough. But temporarily cutting back on luxuries like eating out, expensive subscriptions, or fancy coffee drinks can free up hundreds of dollars each month for debt repayment. Step 10. Reward yourself strategically. Staying motivated is crucial. Reward yourself when you hit milestones, like paying off your first $2,000. It doesn't have to be expensive. A nice dinner at home or a movie night works. These small rewards keep you focused on the bigger goal. And there you have it. With these 5 steps, you're not just paying off debt, you're reclaiming your financial freedom. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, and you've already taken the first one by watching this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.